Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, we have been doing the concepts of waves, and I've told you what is wave. Wave is a disturbance, वो कैसे travel करती है, how it progresses, that I have explained you, and I've told you the important characteristics of the wave motion. Now I'm going to explain you some more basic concepts of speed of transverse wave motion. Well, students, the speed of transverse waves in solid is given by, let me take chalk first. Some of the students ask me many times, sir, why don't you use smartboard? Well, dear students, I can use smartboard, but I personally feel very good on this board. It's a very traditional way of teaching on this. So, what's the harm? So, speed of transverse waves in solid. When we talk about the speed of transverse waves in solid, speed of transverse waves in solid, it's given by V is equal to eta upon rho. तो ये कौन है? V is equal to eta upon rho. Now you will put a question, sir, what is eta? Eta is called modulus of rigidity, fine, and rho is called density of the material medium. Density of the material medium. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Density of the material medium. Well, students, when you talk about the density of the material medium, rigidity of the material medium, rigidity is what? It is the coefficient of elasticity. If you talk about the chapter elasticity, in that you have studied Hooke's law, stress is proportional to corresponding strain. When you have studied stress is proportional to corresponding strain, so there are three types of strains. One is called longitudinal strain, second is called volumetric strain, third is called shearing strain. So, stress upon shearing strain, tangential stress upon shearing strain is called eta. One of the student is asking me, sir, you have written V is equal to under root of eta upon rho. ये आपने लिखा है. Can you establish it? क्या आप इसको establish कर सकते हो? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्कुल कर सकता हूं. कैसे? हाउ? Look students, I'm proving it. Velocity is proportional to eta to A, rho to B. This is a smart move I am taking up, students. Like, I am using the knowledge of dimensional analysis. So V is equal to K eta to A rho to B. V is M0 L1 T minus 1. K is found experimentally. Okay. So eta has got the same dimension that of stress, and stress has got the same dimension that of strain. So stress क्या है? Stress is force upon area. Force is m1 L1 T minus 2, area is L square. It is m1 L minus 1 T minus 2. मैं यहाँ लाइन लगा देता हूँ ताकि आपको लगे कि ये एक साइड वर्क मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये मेन है. तो ईटा का डायमेंशंस क्या रखेंगे हम? m1 L minus 1 T minus 2 to power A. And students, when you talk about the density, density is mass per unit length, volume, sorry, not length, that is linear density. Density is mass per unit volume. When you talk about the mass per unit volume, it is m1 L minus 3 to power B. So m to power 0, L to power 1, T to minus 1, m to power A plus B, L to power minus A plus B, and T to power minus 2A plus minus 3B. Correct? Now you equate the dimensions using the principle of homogeneity. So A plus B 0 minus A plus B equal to 1 minus 2A minus 3B equals to minus 1. So when you solve this, you will get A as half, B as minus half. Correct? Now students, will place the value here in equation 1. This is equation 1. So V is equal to K eta to power half rho to power minus half. V is equal to K eta by rho. मैं थोड़ा कैमरा को डिस्प्लेस करता हूँ so that आपको ये वाला सेक्शन आ जाए. Yes students. Students, hope it is clear now. So you have got V is equal to K eta upon rho. So this is how we get the speed of transverse waves in solids. Hope this is clear to you all, and I will not repeat it. Why to repeat it? Some people say repeat. What's the no use of repetition? Just since it is uploaded on YouTube, and you can simply revise it by rewinding it. So this will go to the playlist of waves also. Thank you. Happy learning physics. Dear students, one thing very important that I'm trying to give you the concepts and basic concepts. Generally what happens when you are preparing for the competitive exams, your preparation is totally focused on the shortcuts and tricks and applied one, but sometimes the basic concepts are lost in the class. टीचर चाहते हुए भी नहीं बता पाता, तो ये चैनल आपको हेल्प करेगा जिसमें आप यहाँ से गो थ्रू कर सकते हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल. हैप्पी लर्निंग फिजिक्स. विपिन शर्मा फिजिक्स चैनल इज योर चैनल. आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप बताइए, इसमें कोई चेंजेस चाहते हो, तो ज़रूर बताइए, लेकिन मैं ट्रेडिशनल टीचिंग को नहीं चेंज करूँगा, पढ़ाऊँगा बोर्ड पे चौक के साथ. थैंक यू ऑल, वर्क वेरी हार्ड. So this is going to be in the wave list also, playlist also. Thank you.